Hello, in this JavaScript video, I am going to cover the math object. So the math object has a variety of mathematical properties like the Euler constant E, which 2.718, and it keeps going, and it has some of the built-in logarithms like ln2, ln10. It has the value of pi as well, and a couple of other different properties. It has a variety of methods, so stuff like sin, cos, and tan, and the inverse of those. It has exponential functions, it has logarithmic functions. Like, it has so many. Once you understand like 2 or 3 of them, you're good to go. As usual, I'll provide a link so you can see all of the extra features that the math object provides. So if I just do console.log, and I'll just do math. So that's the keyword to be able to access these, properties, these methods. Do dot, let's say, pi. Save that and reload. So we get a value of 3.1415926 for free. So okay, you would carry on going like 323 864 26433, etc. But this sort of precision is more than enough. It's been scientifically proven beyond life. In like 3 or 4 or 5 decimal points, there's pretty much hardly, if at all, any application that really need it. It's like very few, and chances are you won't need it in what you're creating. Those are the properties as well. So let's have a look at some of the methods that you can actually use. So let's have a look at the POW method. And obviously, this returns some value, as will the method, and you could assign that to a variable, but I'm just going to directly print it out. So console.log. So if I do math.pow, I just like saying that. And this is just a power method. So if I put 12, 2, this is just 12 to the power of 2, which is 144. So we get 144. That's pretty easy, pretty cool. So that's one method that they provide. There's a rounding method as well, which is really useful. It allows you to round to the nearest integer. You'll round up or down. So if I do console.log math.round, and I'll do 345.6. So this rounded to the nearest integer should be 346. See what we get? We get the right answer. It's always good when you get the answer that you expect. Okay, so let's have a look at another method. There's a square root method as well. So if we do console.log math.sqrt, so it's shortened to sqrt. This is quite common in computer science and programming languages for certain stuff like square root to be shortened to sqrt. Okay, so if I put 144, because we know what that is. We essentially squared it here. Obviously, we could change this to a 3, and that would be cubing it, but we did just square it. So we get 12. That's cool. And you could have a non-integer value in here. We're not restricted to integer. Let's put 12. So that's gonna yield what, like 3 is 9, 4 is 16, what, like 3.4, I'd say. But yeah, 3.46, and that gets the square root of that. So that is pretty darn cool. Actually, as an extra task, what I want you to do, because this yields a decimal value, I want you to get this result, put it into the round math method, and console log that out, or put that into a variable, then console log that out. Okay, so yeah, that's it really. There are other functions that you can use like sin, cos, tan, and honestly, once you understand what we've done here, it's literally the same. Just do math dot the method name and any parameters that you need to put in. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next programming video.